Don't get tangled.
Are you guys double hookup?
Yep, yes.
Whoa!
Mine was so big, it looked like a king. He's tired already.
Come on.
Don't give up now.
Marco. Just move that one down right here, Mom. I might put a knocker on that and have that one down.
Oh, Marco.
But I'll use that one instead of this one because this rod is so heavy.
This is tiring. This is right here. Oh, I see my. It's going under the boat. Why? All that hard work I worked for. You just had to take it away from me. Going under the boat, please. What is that? It says Benito. Oh, he's right there.
Keep going, Marco. Marco, keep going.
Is that a king?
What?
What's that? Did I lose it?
Why?
I did. I did.
Get
It's a
taken
huge
out.
bonito.
I think there's triggerfish down there.
Why are you so heavy? Kaya. Back up here. You're gonna break the rod. Whoa! Yes!
Good job. Good job.
That was so strong. Same place I was. Oh my God.
All right, when you put a pinfish down, don't cut off its fins. It needs to be fast because they're triggerfish trying to pick at it.
Again?
Don't throw it. We could use it for any dead ones you have. We'll
Yeah,
use it.
I'm not gonna throw it.
You got it again? It's been that's super big.
That ready?
It's
Come on,
huge.
bring it here.
The other
Go
guy.
around again. Go around again. Get over me. Over that rod.
He's going crazy.
Okay, come on. You can do it. You can do it.
A little help here.
You can do it. You can do it.
I'm taking a break. It's huge.
Okay, Dad, we need help. We got it up.
Give me 1 second.
That
Hey,
is
I'll grab it by
coming.
the tail.
No.
Yeah.
Good job. Good gaff job.
They looked like a king when I was next to me.